Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Umntwana wamusamseleku uma wande urevela tinto labantu bahlale bambuta tona ku-TikTok langadi ukuthi uyotiphendula athini. Into yokuqala uthi abantu bambuta ukuthi has number 5 given birth yet? Are your parents divorced? Which parents are you choosing? Do you like? Number 5, has your mom left your dad? Do you even love your dad? Uthi la phansi it's hard to answer, and I don't get why abantu labadzala bangabuta mntwana into lefana nalena, like ufika njani njena alapho la ufika khona account yemntwana uyombuta ngetindzaba atakubo ukuthi hey zibani usowutholile mntwana, hey batali bakho sebadivosile, hey which parent are you choosing, uyamthandza number 5. Like guys, nifika njani lapho? Because umntwana lona ku-TikTok just to make i-content yakhe adijayivela latendela khona tipostela ama-pictures nini ukuthi nimbude tindzaba temani labadzala nifika njani lapho. Why ningabuti bosne? Why ningabuti njena bo abantwana bamusamsele kulabadzala bantu bompumelelo? Why niyobuta mntwana lomncane tindzaba letingaka? So bantu they commented kuleyo picture layifakile lapha ku-TikTok lasho khona ukuthi hey yona kanti ukuthi aphendula thini. Uthi asavela ungaphenduli sisi, irofi yomuzi omusha yini leyo, seniphumile yini emzombe? Like she was saying ukuthi angaphenduli, but uphindze naye futhi umbuta uthi ibhuti wakhe ke mntwana mangwabe uSimphiwe Ngwabe mntwana mangwabe firstborn uthi yena don't phendula. Like he was telling his sister ukuthi angaphenduli nje tinto abantu abambuta tona alaphana akubo TikTok. Uthi lebusiwa phendula baby sokuthengela idatha. So this was saying ukuthi akaphendule mawande ma-question labambuta wona abantu omthengela idatha. Someone even commented to say ukuthi abophendula bese lapho turn off ma-comments akhe so that people won't be able to comment. So please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I am signing out. So goodbye.